We're a post-secondary institution that's governed by the Department of Higher Education for the state of Connecticut. So what we do is we actually have a full shop that has equipment that students can learn how to perform the trades. We have a couple classes, different disciplines. You sign up, you have your classroom work, which usually consists of manufacturing math and blueprint reading, and then you go actually into the shop and you use the machinery for whatever discipline you're there to study. What's exciting about our program, it's a 20,000 square foot facility, state of the art. We have some machines that are a little bit older but have been revamped. We just put new motors on a couple pieces of equipment from our friends at Traver IDC, and we have been really working hard at making this an area where people can come in and say, oh, this is manufacturing in today's world. It's no longer a dusty, dirty place that nobody wants to go to. It's a lot of it's computer generated. A lot of it is very clean. You need to be in temperature controlled environments. It's just a pretty exciting place. We did a big overhaul there. Within the first 6 months that I was there, I literally broke everything in the shop down. And this is from somebody who's not a shop person. I'm, like I said, from education and nonprofit work, knowing about where machines need to go and in what relation was not my strong suit, but I brought people on who certainly do know about that, and just made some really radical decisions in eliminating some older machines that are kind of sunsetting, so to speak, and then bringing in Industry 4.0. Technology, which is really, really exciting.